Crypto Sam here. In today's video, I'm going to be covering how to identify support and resistance levels in the market. Now, what support and resistance levels are predetermined levels in the market where traders buy and sell. You buy at support levels and you sell at resistance levels. Now, how are support and resistance levels chosen? If they're predetermined, how are they chosen? Now, this is what I'm going to go over with you guys today. Now, I've chosen this chart of Stratis. Stratis is a great coin. I believe they've got partnership with Microsoft. I've been trading it, but I urge you guys to do your own research before getting in. But it's a very, very good coin to trade. A lot of movement. So on Stratis, I'm going to identify a resistance level, and hopefully you guys can pick out why this is a resistance level. Okay. Now I'll explain why this is resistance level. The reason why this level here that I've drawn horizontally in white resistance level is because this is where the market previously peaked. This is a previous all-time high level of the market. As you can see here, the market went up, it touched this level and came down. So this now makes this level a resistance level. As you see, it reached resistance, sellers sold, and that's why the market went down. Now the market picked up pace, buyers came back into the market, and the market went up. It hit that resistance, it came down slightly, and then it broke it. Now when a resistance level is broken, the resistance now becomes a support level. And what a support level is a level where if the market drops to, as I said earlier, is where traders buy. And where the market, as a result of traders buying, causes the market to change its course of movement and go back upwards. Now, as you can see here, this was the previous resistance. It broke through, it went down, it touched that now support level, and then continued to rise upwards. Now, pulling along the chart, this would now make the top. This will now, as you see, it topped here and touched it 3 times, actually 1, 2, 3. That now makes this the new resistance level. So now it starts to come downwards, goes up, and then it breaks that level. It touches down, it goes back up, it touches down. So this now, it breaks out of it a little bit, but then it shoots right back upwards. So this is now the new support level. And the top of that is now the resistance. And so on and so on. So you can see, guys, how strict the market is to these levels, and it keeps it very well. So as a trader, what you would be looking for in the market would be buying near the support and selling near the resistance level. And even looking at the percent shift for these kind of moves, you're looking at 30% shifts in the space of a few days just by playing the standard support and resistance levels you see time and time again in these markets on an uptrend. Now, this is one instance of support and resistance levels. You also get support and resistance levels in patterns. Now, this is the chart of NEM. This is a Japanese coin, and this is now support and resistance level, but in the shape of a pattern, of a triangle. Now, this is a symmetric triangle. This is actually a bullish continuation pattern. What that means is a pattern that shows you that the market is going to continue rising after this point. Now, as you can see here, I've already drawn the lines in, but you can see that the market touches this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. At the bottom, it touches it once, but you can see that it keeps very strictly to this triangle look before breaking out. Now, this means that up here is a resistance level, and down here is a support level. And you'll see these patterns time and time again across all different markets. And that is essentially how support and resistance levels work. There are levels in the market where if the market drops too low to a support, the buyers, the bulls come in and force the price upwards, and if it reaches up too high to the resistance level, the bears come in to sell. And that's it, guys. Once you can identify these patterns, it will help you to determine good entry points and trades, because it's very, very essential that you're getting into a trade as low as possible so you can maximize your profit in that trade. Now, I hope this video has helped you guys. Please like, do subscribe, and leave a comment, and take care.